Hello once again, YouTube, and we are back with RPG Maker VX Ace. Today what we're going to go over is just basic events, and we're gonna make shops, basically. That's what we're gonna do today. So, to start off, we're gonna actually want to make our shops. So we are going to create a new map. First one, I usually like to start off with my weapon shop, so let's just name it Armory, just for the display name, or well, for the name on here, and then display name is Armory. Same thing. Now this time we are going to do an interior view because, you know, we're inside of a building. And, what should we make this one? I'm just gonna make it 20 by 20 this time. 20 by 20. Now you see what I usually like to do is I like to make a scale to scale portrait of the inside of our stores to the outside. So so what do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 2. So maybe let's just make it by 16 and then do the same height. That should be good. So where's our armory? So we did like a wood 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 looking background, wood walls. So let's just do this. Doesn't really need to be that complex, but oh well. So I'm just gonna make it even 16 long. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna make it too tall. There we go. And then just put, you know, a ceiling tile set real quick. So let's just do this. And then this. So I'm just gonna guess 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how far back we're gonna go. But we're gonna double that amount. So 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then build like that. Create a little rectangle. Jeez. Oh, always messing up right there. Okay, go back to our original wall set and then do the same thing. 1, 2. And then last thing to top it off is we just need a floor set real quick. Let's just choose something real fast. Well, we'll do this. Go to our fill set. Oh no, that looks too confusing. Let's find something different. This will work. There we go. Okay, and that's that for the interior of our little armory store. So now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some detail. So maybe let's just look around first and see. So what I like to do is I like to get these little table sets right here and just like center it. So find the center. So center of 16. So 1, 2. So I gotta do some math real quick. Um, so we got 14 on the interior. So you know what? Oh, come on. Don't do that to me now. Just gonna guess right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's perfect. Just guess and check right there. Just like to build a little closed off system right here. And then that's why we're gonna put our basic event. Or yeah, our basic event for the shopkeeper. So then let's just add some detail, you know. Maybe add some like weapons and stuff. That's what I usually like to do. Uh, no, that won't work. just add some spears, some swords, or spears. Basic, like basic uh, elements. Just add all that. I don't know. And then later on in this video, I'll show you how to make a basic enchantment table, and that's gonna be fun. Okay, so let's see, is there anything else we can add? Maybe add like, I don't know, little system over here. And that should be fine. So now, what I'm going to do is, I am going to add our basic event for our shopkeeper. So we're just going to create him behind this table and set it to action button because it might get a little annoying if it just constantly pulls them up when you come up to him and you just don't want to go up to him. Also, he's over the desk. So basically, the first thing we're gonna want to do is create a conditional branch. So basically, well, geez, gotta stop using that word, but we're going to go to the fourth tab and select gold and put 1 gold or more. And whenever it is 1 gold or more, whenever your character has 1 gold or more, the shopkeeper is going to ask you, let's just say, would you like to shop? Okay then. And then, it doesn't really need choices, honestly, right now. So, well, I mean, I guess we can just add some choices, so yes or no. So then, no, it's going to do nothing, and yes, we'll deal with that later. But let's just, deal with this else, tag right here. So what this basically means is that, whenever you don't have 1 gold or more, it's going to say something or do something. So whenever, you don't have 1 gold or more, it's going to say, you don't have any gold, dot, dot, dot. And there you go. So now, let's work on this yes tab right here. So what we want it to do is pull up a shop processing screen, and let's set it for weapons. So you can choose any weapons you want, and even if you like created any, you can do that. So for now, let's just make it to where it's a hand axe and specify it to, let's see, 25 gold. Okay, then apply. Then actually, let's just add one more item. So then, let's have them give us a long sword. And that'll be 30. 30 should be good. And that should be it. Oh, wait, whoops, let's go back. We actually have to set a graphic to him because whenever we go up to him, it's just going to pull up nothing. So what I usually like to do is just set him to people 1 and this little dude right here. And there we go. And then let's look at where our door is positioned. So it's positioned 1 away, well, 1 away from the side of there. So we're gonna double it to 2. So we're just gonna go to our background options now and go to our shadow pack. once we got our shadow pen, we are going to go uh 1, 2, 3, 4 because it can cover one block of a whole tile. And then just shade in this little area right here. And we're going to add a event. It's basically going to transfer the player to the outside of the shop. So right here, press OK. Make sure it's on player touch. Apply, OK. Then create another one right here inside the doorway. Transfer player into the armor store. Press OK. Player touch. Apply and OK. Now what we are going to have to do is make it to where um there's like a event that gives the player money or something, because right now we don't have any money. But maybe actually we can go into the database and change that. I don't know. Let's try to go to his features, equip, I don't know. I don't think we can do this. Yeah, we can't really add that. But anyways, let's just make that event then. So right now we are going to create an event. Here, let's see. Um, we're going to make it look like a certain actor. So let's make it look like this. Wait, no. Make him look like it's facing us. And this is where we're going to create an animation. Or not really an animation, but it's sort of going to be like a little cutscene. So basically, he's going to walk up to us, so we're going to want to set the move route to move up, move up. Okay, then apply, make a player touch, apply, okay. And I just want to check if it works. Okay then, and it does nothing. So, I don't know, I haven't really worked with this that much, but oh, well, whoops. So, let's just make it approach. Now let's try it. Just testing out. Okay then. So then, we can just delete this real quick. So basically, whenever he is at the player, he is going to say, you know, that's not how you spell here. Here, traveler, have some gold. Why don't you? Okay then, it's going to show text of you received. Let's just give him 100 gold. And if we need to change that later on, we will. You have received 100 gold. And then apply. Okay then. Actually, no, we need to go back. We need to go down here, insert a conditional branch, and we are going to create a switch. So basically that it doesn't create a never-ending loop where he keeps on giving us gold. So let's just name it, I don't know, person 01. Okay then, press OK. So basically right here in this, whenever it's on, he's going to say all this stuff. And also let me just add in that the part where he actually gives us gold. So where is that? Change gold, increase by 100. and then it is going to turn off this switch. Or turn off it, or turn on it, because I actually want this to be off. So then it is going to turn on the switch. So control switches, turn it on. This else part is where it is turned on. So basically it is just going to, actually no. We're going to want to create a new event page, and then this is going to be for switch person A is on, and it's basically going to show nothing. So let me recap that because it might have been a little confusing. So basically we're creating a conditional branch, and it's a switch, and we're creating just naming it person 1, and it's set to off. Make sure it's set to off. And whenever it's off, it's going to say all this text right here, and then he's going to give you some gold, and then it's going to change the switch to on. Basically, this new event page is the switch part where it is on, and it's going to show it as nothing. It's going to do nothing. So let's try that out right now. Okay, and then just wait for him to go. Okay, have some gold, you receive 100 gold, and there we go. So that worked, and yeah, that's pretty simple event right there. Make sure that, I actually want to set his speed really fast. Okay, then fly, okay. So then, let's go back to our armory. Everything's pretty much set. Now, let's make our magic shop. So, new map, magic shop, display name, magic shop, and you can add like different names if you want to. Make sure it's interior, 20 by 20. And what we're going to do this time is make it the same thing, the 8 by 16. And the stores are gonna look pretty similar, so sorry if that doesn't really look that good, but oh well. So what color was this one? So it was like white. So let's make it this. One, two, so, and I'm sorry if I'm doing this way too fast, but I'm just really used to this. So then this is 16, and then we're going up 8. Oh, going up 8. And then we are going to finish it off with the walls. And our floor. So let's just choose a quick little floor real quick. Let's see how this works. Sure, that works fine. Okay then. So like last time, I'm gonna make it pretty similar to the last one, but I'm gonna add this little middle table thing so that it separates the player from the shopkeeper. So then find the center. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay then, so place that. Oh, come on. Okay then. So then recreate that. Then let's add some detail. So because this is a magic shop, we're definitely going to want lots of books. Just like lots of them. Just spam them. Because, you know, magic is all about the reading, you know. So then we are also going to want to put, you know, these over here. Or no. just, I don't know, add something, you know, just make it pretty, I guess. And that should be good for now. So, this is where we're going to make something new. Now, well, actually, before we do that, let's just create the shopkeeper. So let's choose a little graphic for him. So find something, I don't know. Uh, where are you? Mm, I can't really find anyone. Just gonna choose this old monk dude. Okay, then conditional, or no, yeah, conditional branch. Same thing, if he has 1 gold or more, it's gonna show this. Basically, it's gonna show text. Do you wish to, I don't know, would you like to shop? Yeah, that's what it was. Would you like to shop? And then show choices. Show choices, yes. Make sure that this, if else, then you don't have any gold. Dot dot dot. Make it all the same all around. Make it look professional. So basically it's going to show the same thing, shop processing, except this time it's going to show it for items. So we are going to do it just for a potion. Oh geez, not that much. I'm making it cheap right now. 10 should be decent enough. Apply, okay. This is where we're going to make a new item. So we're going to go to our database, go to items, and you have to have the full version to change the maximum item list, the maximums of any list practically. So I'm just going to change it to 100, apply. Okay then, so let's create a new one, and we are going to make one called fire enchantment. And we are going to apply this to both our our hand axe and our short sword. Okay then, so fire enchantment, and then choose an icon, and there we go. There's already one there for some reason. And if you want to create like a different enchantment, you can go into Paint. I recommend paint.net and change it, which we're going to do in a few minutes. So description, a book used, no, let's make it a tome. A tome used to enchant specified items / weapons. Pretty solid. Let's see. I don't know. Okay. Then period. Oh, come on. Specified items / weapons. Okay then, and that's just a normal item. The price, 20. Consume, yes. Occasion, always, I guess. Scope, none. These are basically what, like if you're to use them in battle and stuff. Set this, none. You don't really need to mess with this. Oh geez, hiccup. And apply, okay. Then, actually while we're in the database, I really want to change. So, the hand axe, I want to change this to like 6 damage. Okay then, and then go to our longsword, change this to maybe like 10. Also, while we're in here, we are going to want to change it so he is able to equip certain weapons. So let's go to him and Or actually, no, we need to go to classes and basically make it to where the soldier can equip axes and swords. So equip, weapon, sword, okay, apply, and okay. And when we're done with that, we are going to want to go to, oh great. Okay, we're going to want to create a, go back to database. I don't even know why I closed out of it. Create a common event. So basically this common event is create a fire, or no, flaming sword. That's what we're, flaming sword. I guess we can just do this to only the sword right now, but maybe later on we'll do it. So basically go to conditional statement, no, conditional branch, not conditional statement. Basically, if we have the fire enchantment and we also have the short, or the long sword, where are you, long sword? If you have both of those, then it is going to decrease your fire enchantment by 1 and decrease your longsword by 1. Okay, then it's going to increase an item we haven't even created yet. So let's go to weapons, change maximum 100, and then create flaming, oh, flaming longsword. Okay, a fire, oh jeez, that was terrible. A fire enchanted longsword. I'm gonna make all those things long sword. Okay, then it's sword type. Then how much did the long sword do? No, long sword. That did 10. So let's just make it do like 17. I don't know, just randomize it. 17, and we need to actually apply a texture to it, which we don't really have right now. So let's open up paint.net. Okay, then let's let it open, which is gonna take a while. Okay, then it's opened. So now we are going to open our icon set file, or actually no, we're going to well, oh yeah, we have to go back to RPG Maker. Go to Resource Manager, go to System, go to icon set, export it. Basically, we are going to want to export it to a file, and this one I'm just going to create a new one called I don't know, just YouTube sprites. Okay, we're going to save it. Okay, then we're going to go to open. Actually, could we have just gone to here, here, and then, no, we couldn't have. So let's go back, go to where we saved it, YouTube sprites, icon set. We're going to open that. And the rule with adding things to the icon set is that it has to be 24 by 24 pixels if it's an item. So that's just a major rule. So now we are going to create the short sword. Or, no, the flaming long sword. Yeah, that's what we're creating. So what we're going to want to do is get our little rectangle tool, zoom in because these icons are like stupid small. Okay, go over this one. Doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure it's not overlapping like I just did. Okay, then you're gonna go copy, create a new one, make sure it's 24 by 24 pixels, zoom in a lot. Okay then, and that's pretty good right there. So now we're just going to create some amateur effects. So then, I don't know, just get like a pencil. Where's our little tool? There you are. Make it like red or orange, I guess we can do. You know, just create some amateur effects because I suck at drawing on paint.net. You know, just make it look cool. Oh geez, don't do that. Okay then, you know, just fill in everything. Doesn't really matter how good it looks. I mean, if you're doing it like professionally, yeah, it does, but just creating a tutorial here, people. Doesn't really matter. Okay then, just add some more textures, you know. Oh geez, that's not a good red. Okay then. Now we're going to go back. We are going to copy this now. And then go down here to the last page. Move this. And we are going to have to like line this up like perfectly. It's basically with this, it's usually like a 5 by 5 radius, so I guess we're just going to have to guess and check. So let's just guess right there. That should be fine. Or actually, let's just try to line it up. Okay, so it has to go to the edge. Okay then. Now this I actually want to save. So save this in YouTube Sprites as a flaming long sword. Make sure you save that. Okay then. And now we're going to save this and save it as save it as the icon set. Okay then, now we can just minimize or exit out of it. Go back to here. Go to our icon. Oh wait, no, actually we need to go to Resource Manager first. Go to Resource Manager, import this new icon set. Check if it's there. Yes, it's there. Close. Okay then, go to here and click on this. And there you go, you just imported it. Now we're going to go to Apply. Okay. Go back to our common event and add it to where it changes our weapons of our flaming short sword, increases by 1. And there you go. So apply, okay, go back to our magic, and now we're going to create an enchantment table. So create another event. I'm just going to create it like right here. Choose the graphic and go down to tile sets this time. And I'm just going to choose this like crystal ball tile set. Make a conditional branch. Same thing as the common event. Make sure that we have a fire enchantment and a long sword. So, no, conditional branch, long sword. Okay, if it has both, then it's going to show, oh wait, actually, first we gotta actually make it to where it asks you, what would you like to enchant? What would you like to enchant? Okay then. So then, oh no, actually, what would you like to enchant? Paste all this. So then whenever you have both those, it says flaming long sword. Okay, then whenever you choose that, um, whenever you choose that, it's basically going to call common event. And okay then. So then whenever you choose that, it's going to say you received a flaming long sword. Okay. Apply. Make sure, this time just make sure it's an action button. Okay, and let's play. Test it all out. Okay then. Oh geez. Well, that's a little glitchy. Let's fix that. Okay then. No, don't do that. Let's try that again. That was terrible. Actually, you know what? I know what to do. We're going to move them to here in front of the player. Fly, okay, there we go. Here, traveler, have some gold, why don't you? Okay then, we're good. Everything's good. And of course, I totally forgot to even add how to get into the shop. Okay, let's try that, and then after we test it, it'll be the end of the video. So it's on the left side this time, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, add this right here, add our common event. Right here, transfer player. Okay, transfer them outside of the shop. So right here, okay. Player touch, apply, okay. And add another one in front, well actually in the door. Transfer player into the magic shop. Okay, player touch, apply, okay, and now we can try it out. Okay, we received the gold, that's working perfectly fine. Let's test the armor shop. Okay then, yes, buy longsword. There we go. Okay, let's go over here. Just magic shop. Oh, whoops. Oh my gosh, we seriously did not add the shopkeep processing for that. Come on. That's... Fire enchantment, specify. Okay, okay, apply, okay. This time, hopefully it'll work. Okay, let's hurry up. Okay, hurry, 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 hurry. Okay, then. Oh, no, not that. Go over into here. No, don't go back out. Okay, then. Shop. Okay, buy. We're going to buy the fire enchantment. Okay, then. So let's check if we have both of them in there. Okay, and we're good. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's retry this. This is the final time. We have to make it to where it's the same as characters. Oh. Jeez, I am forgetting everything right now. And this is the final try. Not a hand. Okay, we still have 70. Oh, we'll fix that later on. Okay, go over here, yes. Oh, well, we gotta make sure that it's a choice. Okay. But we did get the thing. So let's go back here. So we're going to delete this. Insert. Show choices. Uh, Flaming longsword. Okay, then apply. Okay, we won't test that. But if you notice, I walked through the roof tiles, so I'm gonna have to change that. So you go into interior, go to the block you notice was not walkable through. So then change all these so that they're not circles. And basically, the X's means you can walk through them. Circles mean you let me rephrase that. X's mean you can't walk through them, and circles mean you can. Okay, so that's basically what I have to show you today. If you have any questions, just write them, comment below. Yeah, that's what we went over today. Just how to uh, make common events, shopkeeps, enchantment tables, all that fun stuff. Uh, Hopefully tomorrow we'll have another fun video. So see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.